I don't want peace. I want problems always.
God have mercy upon us. God have mercy upon us.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Don't run! Don't
run! Murife! Murife, don't run! Hey! Murife, don't run!
I want peace. I want problems always.
Don't run!
Don't run! Murife! Murife, don't run!
This man.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
Want peace.
You see the last couple we give it to me like this. So I even get. I tell you. See me. Now this country hard.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
God have mercy upon us.
Don't want peace. I want problems always.
No.
70 years old man.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this?
They never show you say it be mumu.
God have mercy upon us.
Man.
Now wow, Nigeria no balance at all. So in the whole country, it's only one bank, 9-day balance. Hi. We get Zenith Bank, we get First Bank, we get UBA, we get so many banks, but now only one bank that go come balance. Hey. Guess the bank. No, guess the bank. Which bank?
It is smoky boy.
Only one bank like this, 9-day balance. They stable, they serious.
Wetin be this?
Will you keep quiet?
Oh, wow. Don't be any bank, oh. Don't be any bank now. Now power bank.
I will soon beat someone's child.
See, don't forget to follow us, Funny Crew NG. Follow us on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel. Check the comment section. You get so many videos where you will watch, where will make you laugh.